Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the exact process of pushing your latest local code updates to an existing GitHub repository. Assume you have already made some changes to your project files, and you're ready to send them online. First, fire up your terminal or Git bash directly inside your main project folder. Your very first step is to type out git status, which gives you a clear view of exactly which files have been modified or newly created. Next, stage all these changes for the upcoming upload by typing git add space period, which tells Git to bundle everything together. Now, you need to lock these files into a local snapshot by typing git commit space -m followed by a meaningful message enclosed in quotation marks that describes your updates. With your local commit successfully saved, it is time to send it to the cloud. Execute the final command by typing git push space origin space main, or swap out main for master depending on your default branch name. Hit enter, wait a brief moment for the progress counter to reach 100%, and then refresh your GitHub browser page to see your freshly updated code live. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.